In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your statuses in your virtual office. If you see up in the left-hand corner, there's a green dot. This means you're available. If you are not available, you can change your status by clicking the down arrow, and you'll get these different options. You have available, away, do not disturb, busy, or invisible. These different statuses can be shown throughout your organization, and it immediately can show your coworkers what you're doing and if you're available or if you're not in the office. Away can be used as you stepped away from your desk for a couple minutes to step into a meeting or just to go and talk to a customer. Do not disturb. If you have this status on, you won't be able to receive any incoming calls or messages. Everything will be straight to voicemail. And busy, you will still be able to get calls, but it will show in your organization that this might not be the best time to call you and maybe just leave you a voicemail. Invisible is the status of if you are not signed in, or if you want it to look like you're not signed in, that's the status. Otherwise, you can choose a custom and type in a message. This could say, I'm in a training, or I'm at a customer site, and it'll give you the ability to tell your coworkers what you're doing at that time. If you click into your contacts really quick, you can see that some of these people are using different statuses. The green means these people are all available, whereas this gray means that James is probably not signed on and I won't be able to message him, but I could still leave him a voicemail. So your statuses is just a great way to give people a heads up without having to call you or walk over your desk to see why you're not answering.